Klaudia, welcome back to my channel. And so in today's video I will be unboxing the Google Pixel watch. I picked mine out in the polished silver stainless steel case with the chalk active band. Now there are 4 colors to choose from, but I went with the white color scheme because I also got the Google Pixel 7 Pro because this watch won't work with iPhones and I'm usually an iPhone user. And I made my very first YouTube short if you want to check out the unboxing for the Pixel 7. If you haven't already seen, it's up there. And so this is also a Wi-Fi model as I won't be having it long term, but there is also a cellular version. That price actually doesn't involve me because I did get mine for free as a bonus with the Google Pixel 7. So that is quite handy if you are ordering or upgrading to the new Google Pixel phone. And so I think we are ready to open up the box. They also only had 41 millimeters. There's no other sizes available, so it's only like the standard watch size for an Apple Watch, which is the 41 millimeters. So there's no 45 millimeters, 49 millimeters. Wow, it looks very elegant. Looks so smooth. Right, this is how it comes in the box. So this is interesting. It already has the band attached. We don't have to put anything together. It's already there. But I'm not sure if this is a small band. Oh, this is a large band. Okay, so I'm gonna have to change it anyway. And if we open this up and not rip it. Ooh, there we go. So get the other size strap in here. So it does look like a small to me. Right, yeah. This is how the attachment looks like. It's pretty strange. It's like metal-y. The band's really soft, and to be honest, when I was looking at the watch bands, they were the same price as an Apple Watch, so they were not cheap. And also there was just limited amount of colors. The charger looks also quite similar to an Apple Watch. I had no other watches apart from an Apple Watch, so I can only compare it based on that. So of course Google has their own little design in the middle. The magnet on the charger isn't that strong, so it's quite easy for the charger to slip off. As you can see there, it's not that stable. Now what's left is the information pack. So you can see this is a 41 millimeter watch. The case is recycled stainless steel. Now there is a glass protector on this made out of Gorilla Glass 5. It looks quite nice. It looks like a dome, like a smooth, nice and smooth pebble. So I am liking the aesthetics, and that's what the scanner is. It also seems quite difficult to put on because you do have to get it through the first loop and then pick your size and then loop it underneath. So it's a little bit tricky to do it by yourself. It's quite comfortable. I barely can feel that it's like on my wrist, if that makes sense. It's so lightweight and it's really suitable for my wrist size. The crown button is nice and smooth, but it does stick out quite a bit from the watch. The brightness of the watch is up to 1000 nits. There is an always on display mode. With this watch, you do need to download the Fitbit app, and that's where most of your health and fitness records will be. So on this watch, you do get notifications, you can make payments, answer calls. It includes ECG and a very good precise heart rate monitor. The screen does seem to be a little bit cramped because of its oval shape. Charging speed is quite disappointing, so the charging time is slightly below the average speed, so will charge quite slowly. We also don't get an auto workout detection, so if you're walking, it will not know that you are walking. You would have to choose the activity first before walking, whereas an Apple Watch will figure out that you are walking and will ask you if you want to turn on the walking workout. We also don't have the fall detection, oxygen sensing. This watch does not have that capacity yet. It is a first gen, so I think we should give it some time. Few little things I've noticed: the watch is not that sensitive to my touch. Like sometimes it will not press what I want it to press. And so first quick impressions of the watch: it's so smooth to touch the screen. The button on the side is quite hard to press. Like I do have to like grab the whole watch and press it down. I can't even feel it much on the side, so I don't quite know where it is when I press it. All I know is that it's above the crown. So far it's comfortable, so I can't wait to use it in my day-to-day and see how effective it is for my daily use. It's very elegant, very classy. And so what do you guys think of the new Google Pixel Watch? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I hope you have enjoyed this quick unboxing. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!